As a working professional, I feel the only way to grow exponentially in your career is by upskilling. I believe it was the perfect step for my professional career. I changed my career to main cloud computing with a 30% salary increment. Hi, I'm Hafiz. I live in Bahrain with my family and I work as a software quality assurance professional at 01 Systems. Some time back, I realized that the technology in the cloud computing field is advancing rapidly. I was always interested in this field, so I wanted to upskill myself in the same and learn all the latest tools and technologies. I believe it was the perfect step for my professional career. With the help of these newly acquired skills, I changed my career to main cloud computing with a 30% salary increment. I have already recommended it to a few of my colleagues and friends. What worked out significantly well for me was the blended learning approach, where I could learn at my own pace with the help of pre-recorded material and also attend live classes on weekends to clear my doubts. After completing my course, my performance at work and my confidence improved exponentially. Now I can work much more efficiently. I feel I took the perfect step towards achieving my long-term goal of becoming a cloud computing architect. I believe I have been able to leverage all my learnings from the course and I'm using them regularly in my current role. I believe a new technological revolution is coming and cloud computing will be a major part of it. My advice to every working professional would be to keep upgrading their skills and improving themselves. It is important to take risks and keep challenging oneself, keep learning and keep growing.